Hi, Val Vista students. Coach Siebold here with another PE lesson for you. I realize at school we have lots of different equipment. We've got that whole shed of PE equipment. So when I'm coming up with ideas for you at home, I'm trying to think, what do you kids have at home that you can still have a fun game and, get some exercise? So today got a game called paddle ball. And for this, all we need is a paddle and a piece of paper. Now, I realize most of you probably don't have a paddle like this. There's a lot of different things you can get. Maybe you have an actual tennis racket you could use as a paddle. Or, go in the kitchen, grab a pancake turner or a spoon. Make sure it's okay with mom or dad before you take their stuff. Or you could get a book, which you should also be reading. Or, grab a phone book. Not like you use these anymore. Everybody keeps all their phone numbers and that in their phone. So, most likely you have one of these items. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and literally just crumple it up, okay? This here is your ball. Now, whatever you want to use for your paddle, I'm going to take this traditional paddle here, and what you're going to do is see how many times that you can keep paddling your ball. So, basically go for your own personal record every time. So here we go. 2, 3, okay? And grab it, try it again. 1, 2. And I know watching on video seems kind of boring, but actually, for myself, I know I want to eventually show you the different items, but it's kind of fun. So I want to just keep going with this one for a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, now, like I said, a lot of you probably aren't going to have a paddle. This is more likely what you would have. A kitchen pancake turner, or where I'm from, they call them a spatula, actually. 1, 2. This is a lot harder because my surface area on this is obviously much smaller than my paddle. So not only, this is something you're gonna have most likely, it also makes it a little bit more challenging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's say I switch over to our book. Okay, gonna have to hold this a little bit differently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, almost 12. So far, the book seems easiest. Now, if you want to make this a little bit more challenging for yourself, what you could do is make a perimeter for yourself. So when I was doing this one with the book, I was running all over. What I'm going to do is I have a hula hoop here, and I'm just going to set that down. I'm backing up so I can see in the camera. But now my rule for myself is I cannot leave the hula hoop. Okay? So I would have had to leave the hula hoop, so I'm done. And I could still use that hula hoop and try it different. I'm going to actually use a regular tennis racket here. Now, I want to start running around with this here. Now, this is actually quite fun. I was planning on just doing this just a little video for you guys, but I think I'm going to keep playing here for a while. So, just quick review. Different things for a paddle, a spoon, paddle, and your ball, real fancy, just a piece of watercolor paper. So hopefully you enjoyed our lesson on paddle ball, guys, and we'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm going to keep paddling.